chance up to 2 crore funding. And a target to create 5 lakh new business in the next 5 years. It is made specially for women who want to start from scratch. Have you ever been stuck in traffic, headphones in, lost in your own thought, and suddenly your mind drifts to that one idea that you have been thinking since a long time? Or sitting with a cup of chai, staring at your balcony or ceiling fan, and dreaming about that one business idea that keeps coming to you? Maybe something you have been wanted to do for years, a startup, a boutique, a cafe, or a coaching center. But then every time you get little excited, that one thought pop up, पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे? And just like that, the dream gets pushed to कल देखते हैं. Or maybe you have already taken the first step, visited bank, filled out a form, tried to explain your dream, but you walked out with rejection in your hand and self-doubt in your heart. Why? Because you're new, no collateral, no history, just an idea, just hope. If this feels personal, you see yourself in this story, then stay with me. What if I told you your first business idea, yes, the one in your diary or your notepad, could actually get up to 2 crore of funding from the Indian government? Hi, I'm Simi from Bosswala. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you are already part of our family, welcome back. There is something big that just happened in the Union Budget of 2025-2026. A powerful loan scheme launched by the Indian government, specially created if you are a first-time entrepreneur, a woman with a dream, or someone from the SC/ST community ready to build something meaningful. Because this isn't just a scheme, it's a chance. Chance up to 2 crore funding, inserted subsidies, and a target to create 5 lakh new business in the next 5 years. So whether your idea is still on paper or you're taking baby steps, this video is your full guide. I'll walk you through eligibility, application, tips to stand out, real life stories, and how to prepare so you don't miss once in a generation opportunity. So what is this scheme? This scheme is called First Time Entrepreneur Loan Scheme. It's not just an upgrade of old system, fresh move to open up entrepreneurship to the people who were left behind. But do you know how business funding usually works? It favors the one who already have something, or family business background. But this scheme, it is made specially for women who want to start from scratch, individual from SC/ST communities, first-time founders who have never owned a business before. Unlike the previous schemes like Stand Up India, which gave loan up to 1 crore, this one scales up to 2 crore. The mission is absolutely clear. Empower 5 lakh entrepreneurs in the next 5 years. And that's not just about the number on the chart. That's about legacy. That's 5 lakhs of lives, families, and legacy that is about to change. So now the question is, who can apply? The answer is you. If you are a woman ready to launch her first business and belong to a SC or ST category and have a startup idea, or you are a part of a company or LLP where majority 51% ownership is held by women or SC/ST individuals, then it's for you. But you should also be at least 18 years or above, first-time entrepreneur, that means no business under your name earlier, and your idea need to be real and viable. And yes, all sectors are welcome, from beauty parlors to digital platform, tailoring shop to tech solution, agro startups or EV service center. But you also need to register under Udyam portal as MSME. But don't worry, it's free. It's online. Before we go further, this scheme isn't for high-tech founders. Whether you're planning to start a digital startup, tailoring unit, a tea franchisee, a mobile repair shop, you qualify. All you need to do is register under Udyam portal as MSME. And don't worry, it's free, it's online. And since we're talking about self-employment, there's something equally important we overlook: our health. As individuals chasing our dreams, we must remember taking care of our health is just as important as figuring out what we want to do in life. Think of this way: when you start a business, you prepare yourself for highs and lows, right? The same goes for your health. So let me ask you something. Do you have a health insurance that truly have your back? No hidden condition, no nasty surprises. Because let me be honest, most health insurance plans comes with waiting period, hidden cost and room rent limits. But there is one insurance that's rewriting the rule to put you first. Acko Health Insurance. Acko's platinum plans give you zero waiting period. That means you have covered from day one. No room rent capping. That means you're free to choose any hospital room without worrying about extra charges. You get 100% bill cover, including non-medical costs like admission charges or surgical kits. And when it comes to filing claims, it's a breeze. 100% digital, zero paperwork and lightning fast. So if you're looking for a health insurance that truly works for you, Acko Insurance is the one. The link is in the description box. And now let's move on to the next segment, the key feature and benefit for the first time entrepreneurship loan scheme. Let me tell you the number and what's there in for you. Loan amount is up to 2 crore. Your repayment tenure, possibly 5 to 7 years. Subsidized interest. Lower EMIs thanks to government. Collateral not required. Likely backed by SIDBI or NABARD. Sector agnostic, retail, services, manufacturing, and even digital startups. Target 5 lakh beneficiaries over 5 years. The kind of financial support that seems to be impossible for people like us is now a policy. Let me paint a picture how big is this by real life scenarios. Pooja, who is 25-year-old from Jharkhand, wants to start a millet-based snack company. She has the skill, local ingredient, but no capital. With this scheme, she can finally launch, hire locally and go national. Ramesh, who is from Rajasthan's SC community, wants to open an EV showroom and bike service center. A 50 lakh loan can give him the boost to start with 3 locations and create 20 plus jobs. Lalita, a tribal artisan in Chhattisgarh, makes beautiful handmade sarees. With 25 to 30 lakhs, she can buy better tools, set up an online store and train more women from her village. It's not about launching business. It's about lifting families, empowering communities and rewriting narratives. But now the big question is, how do you apply for it? That's very simple. While the final guidelines are coming soon, here's what you can get a head start based on the previous Startup India model. Udyam registration. Get your business formally registered online. It's free. Business plan. Prepare a simple plan. What are you selling? Who are your customers? What will it cost? You can find the templates online easily. Choose a bank. Target PSU banks like SBI or private players like HDFC, ICICI. Visit them in person if needed. Apply online or offline, most likely to existing portals like Stand Up India or a new dedicated portal. Lastly, prepare all your documents like your Aadhaar, PAN, address proof, bank details, and your business plan. If you start preparing now, when the portal opens, you will be ready to be the first in line. But here are some real world tips that could make the difference between approval and rejection. Keep it real. Your business idea should be something you understand. Passion matters, but practically win loans. Discipline is the key. Loans come with responsibility. Pay your EMIs on time and track your expenses. Lean on support. Look for startup mentors, local incubation hubs, or online communities because you are not alone. Next, use your fund wisely. Invest on growth, not in unnecessary frills. Keep finance record clean from day one. And lastly, stay updated. Follow MSME Ministry site and subscribe to Bosswala for more alerts. So this new scheme offer up to 2 crore to help first-time women and SC/ST entrepreneurs launch their dream ventures. It aims to build 5 lakh new businesses and yours could be the one of them. All you need to have is a solid idea, a little prep and the confidence to take the first step. If you ever felt like success wasn't meant for people like us, this scheme proves otherwise. So start today. register, plan, and prep, and hit the apply button when the portal goes live. And if you want updates, success stories, or walkthrough, drop your business idea in the comments section. I would love to hear that. And for more tips and advices on business, download Bosswala app now. Bosswala helps you to learn practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-to-one video call. Not just that, Bosswala provides you with the tool and resources to start, operate, and grow your business. This is your moment. This is your green light. So are you ready to drive? I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.